Hi guys, so if you want to change the map sensor on an om651, it's just there. This is the MAF sensor, that's the map sensor. That sensor there is the exhaust back pressure sensor, and the boost pressure sensor is actually, I don't know if you can see it, but it's just behind there underneath. So how to test this is you disconnect, you pull out the sensor, just two T20 screws. And then you've got three wires on the back. You've got pin 3, which is 5 volts. You've got pin 2, which is the switch wire. And you've got pin 1, which is the ground, I believe. So how to test it is you can connect anything to this that has like a bit of a pressure gauge on it. So I've just got this brake vacuum hand pump. So it should be 3.7 volts. So what you do is you put a pin at the top, you push it in, turn the ignition on, and it should show 3.7 volts. And this pin, which is the number 3, should show 5 volts, which is the sort of the power to the sensor. So on pin 2, you put in a pin right behind, shove it in. So what I mean is a pin like this, you shove it in, and then you connect the positive of the electrical tester or the multimeter. You pop it in, and that should show you 3.7 volts. So 3.7 volts is on pin 2, and then you give it some pressure, and it should change from 3.7 and go down. So it might go to 1.3, it might go to 1.8, it might go to 2, but it will decrease from 3.7 volts. That means that the sensor is actually working, and there's nothing wrong with the sensor. So that's how you rule out that the map sensor is not faulty and it does work.